All right, another round of the 10-minute warm-up here, and this time we're going to take this into the hips quite a bit. Good amount working with external rotation. So to start, bring yourself down into all fours. And we're going to take this into a variation of a toe squat from here. So I want you to bring your feet together, tuck your toes, keep the heels lifted, bring the knees out wide. And then to set this up so the hands are between your knees. Now just move around for a moment. Dig your toes down, bring one knee down at a time. And just go back and forth to loosen things up. Now to go further from here, we're going to go back and forth one hand at a time. So I want you to keep your feet close, keep the heels lifted, the knees stay wide, and then just go slow. So right hand, bring it down behind you, not too far back. Bring your left hand down behind. And then come forward with the right hand first, and then with the left, just take it slow. Bring your left hand back, and then bring your right hand back. Left hand comes forward. Right hand forward. We'll take a couple more rounds. Bring your right hand back again. Left hand back. Right hand forward. And then left hand forward. Now bring the left hand back now. Right hand back. And then come forward with your left hand. And forward to the right. Last round from here. Bring your right hand back. Left hand back as well. And then right hand forward. Left hand forward. Now come back with the left hand one more time. And then back with the right. Now, set your hands flat, stay back, and rotate your fingers away from you a bit. And then just go ahead, come up onto both feet. So set your feet down flat, about hips width distance apart. But stay lifted through your arms, so keep your butt lifted from the floor. From here, try to keep your neck nice and long. Now to open up the hips, go ahead, curl the toes of the right foot up off the floor. Now bring the knee out to the side, try to bring it all the way down. And then come back to center, set that foot flat. Curl the toes of the left foot up. Bring the knee out to the side, try to come down to the floor. And then lift back up. Right knee out to the side again. Come back to center. Left knee out to the side. And then come back to center. Now this time, lift your right foot. Extend your right leg to the side, bring the foot down. And then step back in. And then lift your left foot. Extend the left leg out to the side. And come back to center. Right leg out to the side, bring the foot down low. And then step back in. Left leg out to the side, bring your foot down. And then step back in. Right leg out to the side one more time. And then come back to center. Left leg to the side one more time. And then step this back down. And then go set your seat down on the floor. Shake your hands out for a moment. And then once you're ready, just keep the feet about hips width. Reach the arms forward between your knees. Round your spine as much as you can. And then just slowly roll this all the way down. Now once you're down, let's go ahead and set this up for a couple bridge variations. So bring your feet in close. Keep your feet hips width. But bring the heels in close enough that you start with your low back basically flat. Now arms at your sides, but bend the elbows so the forearms are vertical. Make your hands into fists. Push the elbows into the floor. And let's go up and down. So with an inhale, press your hips up, squeeze your glutes. Exhale, roll your spine down. Inhale, lift your hips up high. Exhale, roll down. Press up again, lift your hips. Roll back down. Lift your hips, squeeze your glutes. And then roll this down. Press your hips up one more time. Roll back down. And then from here, step your left foot to center. Keep the arms as they are. And take a figure four. Right ankle crosses your left thigh. Now curl the toes of the right foot and keep the knee out to the side. Up and down. Press your hips up high. Squeeze your glutes. Roll back down. Lift your hips up again. And then roll your spine down. Press up one more time. Hold here. Now keep your glutes squeezing. But press the right knee toward the floor. Just breathe here. Keep the fist clenched. And then release this. Roll back down. Set the right foot down. And take it the other way. Bring the left ankle past your right thigh. Curl the toes. And keep the knee to the side. And then press your hips up high. Squeeze your glutes. Roll back down. Lift your hips up again. And then come back down. Press your hips up high and hold here. Keep your glutes squeezing. Press that left knee toward the floor. And just breathe. And then bring it all the way down. Now once you're down, bring your knees to your chest. Bring your hands to your knees. Squeeze in tight. And then round up. Lift your head and shoulders. Bring your nose close to your knees. Now let's roll this up to seated. So go ahead, bring yourself up. Try to keep your feet off the floor. If your feet are down, just lean back, pull the thighs in close and balance this here. Now I'm going to take this up into a boat pose. So keep the thighs pulled in, but release your hands. Arms at your sides, lift the shins toward parallel with the floor. We're going to go back and forth from this position to kneeling. We'll take the first round slow. So right foot behind your left leg. Roll forward, right shin down, left foot down. Now you can bring your hands to the floor, but lift all the way up and push your hips forward at the top. Belly in, round your spine. Set yourself down lightly and bring the legs together back to balancing. Left foot behind the right leg, roll forward, left shin down, right foot down. You can bring your hands to the floor, but lift up, push your hips forward. Pull back in, round your spine. Come back down, legs together. Now, if you can lift up without using your hands, just reach forward, use your core. Right foot behind your left leg. Roll forward, lean forward, lift hips forward. Round your spine, come down light, legs together. Left foot behind the right leg, roll forward, lean forward, lift hips forward again. Pull back in, take it down all the way. Legs together. Right foot behind your left leg, roll forward, lean forward, lift hips forward. Round your spine, come back down, and back to boat. Left foot behind the right leg, roll forward, lean forward, lift hips forward again. Round your spine, bring it down, legs together. Right foot behind the left leg, roll forward, lean forward, lift hips forward. Round your spine, bring it down, come back to boat. Left foot behind the right leg, roll forward, lean forward, lift hips forward again. Pull back in, come back to your seat. Legs together, one more round. Right foot behind your left leg, roll forward, lean forward, lift hips forward. Round your spine, bring it down, and come back to boat. Left foot behind the right leg, roll forward, lean forward, lift hips forward. Round your spine, take it down, legs together. And then from here, just cross at the ankles, roll forward, your hands come into all fours. And we'll take this into the wrist. Now just keep your hips stacked over your knees, but bring the hands within 2 hands lengths of your knees, a little bit closer. Flip the hands over, backs of the hands down, palms up, the fingertips point toward you. Spread your fingers wide, press your fingertips down. You can just move side to side. This might be enough. But then to take it further, just go back and forth. Keep the backs of the hands planted, and go and curl the fingers in toward your palms as tight as you can. And then spread your fingers wide. And keep on going back and forth like this, opening and closing. And just feel this out. Now the next time you spread your fingers wide, keep the palms open. And then just flip your hands one at a time. Flip the right hand over, palm down. The fingertips still point toward you. Do the same with the left hand. And then flip the right hand over again. And left hand as well. And just keep on going side to side like this and take it back and forth. Now each time you reset your hands, spread the fingers out wide, dig your fingertips down, grip your mat. And just keep on going back and forth like this. Now, the next time you've got both palms down, just keep that position, dig your fingertips down, and then take this with bent arms. Look forward. Now, bring your shoulders forward, bend the elbows and pull them underneath you. Lower toward a halfway bend. And just stay here. Keep your fingers gripping the floor. Now, if you can go further, just moving your legs. Extend your right leg back. Bring the big toe over to the left as far as you can. And then set that knee down. Left big toe over to the right side. Keep looking forward. And come back to center. Right big toe over the left again. Bring your knee back down. Left big toe over the right. And then the knee comes back to the floor. Right leg over to the left one more time. Bring the knee down. Left foot to the right side one more time. And bring that knee to the floor. Come up onto the fingertips and down onto your heels. And then shake your hands out. Loosen your fingers and your wrists. Now once you're ready, come back into all fours. Wrists underneath the shoulders, knees underneath the hips. And just keep your spine long. Keep your neck in line with the rest of your spine. When you're ready, extend your right arm straight forward and your left leg straight back. Reach to the fingertips and toe tips. Now take an inhale here. With the exhale, bring the elbow to your knee underneath. And then reach your right hand back and find your left foot. Now once you have that grip, look forward. Kick into your hand. Pull the right shoulder forward and try to keep your left knee lifted. As you hold this, grip the floor with your left hand. Now go further from here. We're moving toward a push-up variation. Now draw the left elbow back. Bend and sink down, maybe just a little bit. Maybe bring the elbow all the way to the floor. Press back up the straight and keep the left knee high. Again, bend the left elbow back, sink down to where you can. And then lift back up. 3 more times. Left elbow bends, come down low to where you can go. Lift back up the straight. Draw the left elbow back, sink down. and then lift back up. One more time. Draw the left elbow back, take it down low. Lift up one more time, and then both hands down, both knees down, back to all fours. And then again, wrists underneath the shoulders, knees underneath the hips, just extend the crown of the head forward. Reach your left arm forward, right leg back, stretch out through the fingertips and toe tips. Now take an inhale here. Exhale, squeeze in, elbow to knee underneath, and with your left hand, reach back, find the right foot. Now once you've got that grip, look forward. Kick into your hand, pull the shoulder forward, lift the right knee, keep it high. And then keep your right hand gripping the floor, go back and forth. Bend the elbow toward you, sink down, maybe a little bit, maybe come down all the way. Lift up to straight, keep the right knee high. Again, right elbow bends back, sink down low. Lift back up to straight. Draw the elbow back, sink down to where you can. Lift back up. 2 more times, pull the elbow back and sink down. Come back up, straight right arm. 1 more time, draw the elbow back, take it down low. And then lift back up. And then back to all fours. All right, from all fours, keep the shoulders stacked over your wrists. And then step the right foot forward outside the right hand. And tuck the toes of your left foot, lift your left knee. Now keep your weight forward, keep your palms pressing down. Just step the right foot back to meet the left, come into plank. And bring the left foot forward outside your left hand. Now step your left foot back, come back into plank. Right foot outside the right hand. Now we're going to go back and forth switching the leg position. You can step back to plank like we just did. Otherwise we're going to hop and switch feet. Now keep your shoulders and wrists. Move your hips straight up and down. Now keep in mind, to make this work, you got to lift your hips as high as you can. That will give you the time and space to move. Press into your palms, try to land your feet light. So back and forth on 3. 1, 2, 3. Keep pushing now. 1, 2, 3. Back and forth. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Lift your hips high. 3 more rounds. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Last round. 1, 2, 3. And then 1, 2, and 3. Go ahead, bring your knees down, come into all fours and just breathe. And that is the 10-minute warm-up for this round. Thank you very much.